treadmill is a great way to increase your cardiovascular exercise. It can also take up quite a bit of space in your house. If you don't have a lot of space, you might consider checking out this best-rated folding treadmills. First, let's see the features of this great product.
Accomplish your fitness goals with the Cadence G5.9i treadmill from Weslo. The robust 2.25 horsepower motor is powerful enough for thousands of miles of speed or endurance training. Take your run anywhere on Earth with iFit technology. Use your tablet to pick a course. You can pick workouts designed by certified personal trainers, and all of your stats are tracked automatically. Ready to burn more calories? Use the 2-position adjustable incline. And the large 16 by 50-inch deck can handle any runner's stride. But it also provides comfort cell cushioning so it reduces impact on your joints. With quick speed controls, take your run up to 10 miles per hour and choose from 6 different workout apps to mix up your routine. And stay in your target heart rate zone with the quick thumb pulse sensors. And when you're done, simply fold your treadmill with the innovative Space Saver design. And get a 1-year motor warranty and 90-day parts and labor warranty with your purchase. Take control of your fitness with the Weslo Cadence G5.9i treadmill from Weslo.
And these are ratings given by our fitness expert.